let's install Python and PyCharm on our computer. We're going to get started by opening the web browser, then head over to jetbrains.com, which is the company behind PyCharm. Here I'm going to click on Developer Tools, and among the IDEs we have PyCharm. So let's click on the download button. And there are two versions of PyCharm. There is the professional version, and then there is the community version, which is free, and that's what I'm going to go with. And PyCharm is being downloaded. The download is almost 400 megabytes, so it shouldn't take too long to download. Great, and PyCharm was downloaded. Let's go ahead and install it. You can change the destination folder for the installation, but I'll just go with the default. And there are a few boxes here that you can check if you want to, but I'm not going to check any of them. And let's start the installation itself. Great, PyCharm was installed. Let's close the installer. And now we can look for PyCharm in the Windows Start menu. And here it is. Let's start it. We need to confirm the user agreement. And we can either send or not send anonymous data that JetBrains uses for future versions of PyCharm. Great, and here we have PyCharm. Let's create a new project. And first we need to choose a location for our new project. Of course, you can choose any location on your computer, but I'm just going to go with the default. Next, we need Python itself. But you might remember that we never installed Python yet. So PyCharm recognized it and is going to download and install Python for us. Here we can choose the version that will be downloaded. So we can choose between 3.9 and 3.10. I'll go with 3.10. And that's basically it. I'm also going to leave this box checked, as it will create a basic Python script out the gate. So let's go ahead and create our project. And PyCharm is now downloading and installing Python. Now notice what it says here. Windows may require your approval to install Python. Please check the taskbar. And indeed, if we look here, we have this shield. And we need to allow Python to make changes to our computer. Great, so Python will be downloaded and installed, and then the project itself will be created. Now, of course, the installation of Python will only be done once. Any future PyCharm projects will use the same Python interpreter that is being installed right now. Great. And the project was created, but we need to wait a few more seconds because PyCharm is doing some indexing. And it's done. Let's try to run our script by choosing Run from the menu. And let's click on the green play button to actually start our program. And let's choose main, as this is the script that we want to run. And our script ran, and we got high PyCharm, which is the expected output.